Hello friends, it's August 6th. These are my eggplants. Look how many I have. After each flower, we'll be getting an eggplant right after it. Yes. From my peppers, how tall they grew. How many? These are my hot peppers. These are my crunchy peppers. So many. My perilla leaves or sesame leaves. More hot peppers here. So many on each plant. These are my crunchy peppers. Look how tall they are now. Okay, my squash. I have a lot of squash that I have to remove today. They've been getting so big. And so many. I have so many. Tomatoes. But all these tomatoes. And it has overgrown. I'm gonna have to cut the head off so that it stops growing. Squash here. The long squash. More round squash coming here. There's one hiding here. We'll have to remove that one also today. Fresh growth. New one. Squash here. Going. And more eggplants here. How tall they grew. Look how many cucumbers. All these small ones also. So many. All these cucumbers coming out. Then we've got twisted peppers or shishito peppers. All this. And more eggplants. More eggplants here. Pollinating. More tomatoes. So many tomatoes. These are my jalapenos. So many. More tomatoes here. See all the tomatoes that we already consumed. All this. When my tomatoes are like kind of orange, I remove them and then keep them inside on a plate, and they will become red because tomatoes have enough nutrients and chemicals to make them red, even if you remove them from the plant. Because I noticed that if I leave it on the plant, when it becomes red, birds will come and eat them or pick on them. So I remove them when they're kind of orange. I have more twisted peppers here. Lettuce. More lettuce here. Oh, how tall my tomatoes grew. I have to put this netting up there so that you'll keep them outgrowing. But I will soon have to cut off the heads so that they will stop growing. Otherwise, it will be all over the place. Okay, friends, I'll update again in September. On the spotted lanternflies, I don't know if you have them. On the east and northeast, we've been having them a lot this year. At the beginning, I was seeing them maybe 1 or 2 a day, and I've been killing them with the neem oil and the soap dish combination, the one that I showed you on my last video. Then I've been seeing them more like maybe sometimes I'll see like 10 a day, and I've been killing them. Right now I only see 1 or 2 a week, so it's doing good. I guess that's why my plants are still surviving and producing so much fruit, so many fruits. Okay, I'll see you soon. I'll update again in September. Thank you. Look, these are all the fruits that I took out this morning. All these are going to be given to a friend of my wife. Well, actually, she's not a friend of my wife. She's an acquaintance. She owns a clothing boutique where my wife usually goes. And about a month ago, she mentioned that she will be closing the store for a month in August because she's having a cancer surgery. And we've been giving most of our fruits to her because we want her to be healthy. And she says she's eating the cucumbers raw or makes them into smoothies. The squash she stir fries or puts them in a soup. And the eggplants, she says she's eating them raw. I don't know if that's okay. I've never eaten eggplants raw. But she looks a lot healthy, and she's been eating healthy and exercising because she wants to be strong and healthy before the surgery. So all this will be going to her, so that she could eat them for a couple of days before she goes into surgery. And also, look at all the leaves that I remove from the plants. These are all unnecessary leaves. These are from yesterday and today. Usually this garbage can gets filled with leaves once a week, and I throw them out. You should remove all the unnecessary leaves so that all the nutrients go to where it's needed and not to the unnecessary leaves. Okay, so I'll see you soon.